Hello, good morning once again. This is the watcher here once again to give us update. But now we shall consider some cryptocurrency pairs, especially the big caps, because Bitcoin have given us a very strong run. You can see from around 25, 26,000 up to 36,000. Quite huge amount, $10,000 profits, uh, rise in price. So in a very short while, and it's quite a good thing that you can see crypto is not dead, it's still alive. But now I think we've come to the point of reality where we have to consider, can this continue going up beyond this Fibonacci level, which I believe is I think 30 something, around 38 Fibonacci. Can it rise above it and continue, or will it retrace, gather some energy before it can continue? So, and I support that it will come down first to this trend line before we know if it breaks it below, then uh, if it breaks this and continue down, possibly to this levels, then we know that the bear market is back in play. Otherwise, it can as well bounce. These are levels to watch. Otherwise, we can have something like this, which is still possible but not confirmed yet. But in any case, just know that we are still in bear market. We can have something like this. So we can have something like this. So have it in your mind that these things can play out this way. So Bitcoin can take a look, a play like this. So if you are interested in shorting Bitcoin, I will advise you, if you enter here, but don't put a lot of money in it. Just try stop loss, then you target this place. Target this place. That is what my idea about shorting Bitcoin will look like. Uh, so don't risk so much. Shorting Bitcoin right now, that is what it will look like for me. And then we consider another pair now, Ethereum. Ethereum is obviously still in downtrend, and I can confidently short. Okay, we already short it to this place, or consider going all the way down to this place. That is, if you take out some profit here and you hold the remaining down to this place, that's a very comfortable one. But also bear in mind that we are still in a bear market. Anybody telling you that the bulls are back, the person will not know how the history of cryptocurrency trades works. So if you find a good entry here, you just short down to this place, or possibly down to this place. So we shall watch and see how it plays out. And you can see the trend, at least from April to this time, is still bearish in Ethereum against the US dollar. So I have more confidence in Ethereum shorting it than shorting Bitcoin. Now we shall also go to another one, link. I think on my Twitter page I updated the trade of link considering this line, and once it broke it, some people made some profit buying. But it is time to consider that it can also come down. So I cannot tell you to buy or sell link, because link, but this is my opinion on link. First, it has to come down, break this trend line back, get to these levels once again, grab some liquidity, and maybe range a little here before the bull market starts, and next year and will shoot up higher. And it has a lot of room to rise, I believe, quite a lot of upside, up to $50 or $52. So, and I believe Link can climb even above that, but for now, just know the play we have in mind. So if you are buying for long term, I will advise you to wait until it crosses below this trend line. You start accumulating once again. It's normal in trade for things to go up and down before the final uh, trend. And it's even part of Wyckoff accumulation pattern. It's in the first break, so it will come down here, then shoot up very fast. My favorite pair, which is FTM, I am waiting for it to come back to this base once again. I intend to take a long trade there. But if you are interested in shorting it, I will advise you wait for something like this. Unless you can risk a little amount of money, it's okay to risk a little. Have your shorts if you just want to enter with little amount of money and open up and you are open for for a wide stop loss. So we can give it today. Let's see if it can come up to this level. If it can come up here, there is another block here according to people trading SMC. There is another block here. Yeah, if it comes up to this level, you can see it's a better entry position here. You short it from here down to the trend line. So there's another block here. So back to this trend line, you can make some money doing that. So it's actually an education channel we have here to help you make some trades. So you can see it still has some momentum up, so allow it to come up here. Then you take your short trade down to this trend line. So and the trend line is obvious. So that is it. But for me, I will wait till it comes back down to this space. Then I will start looking for a long position that I can hold into the bull market. So, but for people looking for shorts, you can see my entry advice just here at this place. Then it's short to this trend line. That is it. Now for Solana, I will say Solana is a gunner. Considering the news we just received, if you check this news, Sam Bankman-Fried trial, he has been found guilty, so sentencing will happen, I think, next year. So it's not good for Solana because FTX and Alameda have a great stake there. So that's too bad for Sam, our crypto guy. So it should affect Solana for a while, but technically, I would say Solana, excuse me. So Solana definitely will have some code this morning. So Solana definitely will slowly find its way back to these levels. We just keep going back to this level. Solana will keep chopping up and down until it falls to this place, back to this range. And fundamentally, I will not advise we need to watch out to see what the team of Solana will do even though they tried before to pay off all their attachments to FTS and I think Alameda investors. So, but basically, it should fall back here. I don't see it doesn't have the energy to break above this line and no, it's coming back to this place, Solana. Uh, if the team does a good work, if the team continue in a good spirit, maybe it will survive these bad news and move up once again. So we move to Nia. Nia is actually a good one to is something a good baby for us here. You can see Nia is giving us a very good surprise breakout. This is the first, second, and now here it broke out. So on the daily, it looks very sweet. I don't know how far Nia will go, but it surely will come back once again. But this breakout shows that Nia is one of the ones we have to trade long in the coming bull market. So we have to have a long trade in there in Nia, or just accumulate it once it goes below this trend line, accumulate it. And there is also a fundamental reason to look into here. I think there are some partnerships that Nia went into that can pay off big time. So Nia, now they had this partnership with an Indian petroleum company to service them. So I expect Nia to, and Nia is also a very big cap. So it's not a minor in the game. So if we check the cap of Nia, Nia that is around 1.5 billion. So if if we check from coin market cap, you can see they have had this share of run up to $20. So Nia, my prediction for Nia, I'm seeing Nia going towards $50 in the next bull run. So you can buy and forget and expect your 50x. That's definitely what Nia, because Nia came, the attention to Nia came very late towards the end of the market bull run. So it didn't get the right chance to show its potential. But Nia has a lot of good backing. So I see Nia performing very well in the next bull run. So you have to look out for Nia, accumulate, hold, or wait for opportunity to long it if you are into leverage trading. So now I think Rose. Oh wow, Rose is another big one to buy and hold, and the breakout was obvious. I didn't share this because actually I wasn't feeling very well, and sometimes you you need to be sure before, but the breakout of Rose was quite obvious, quite obvious. Yeah? It first of all formed a double bottom, as we can see here, double bottom, and then had a breakout. So it's a good one. So, but just wait, it will come down back to this place. If you want to long it again, then you can. It's coming back to this place. Someday it will come back. For me, that's what I'm waiting technically for it to come back here. Then I will look for a long position. Well, so don't forget, we are not yet in a bull market. The bear market is still intact. Or we are now in the final phase of the bear market because a lot of coins have shown significant 50%, 70%, even 100% run in this October. So that's the final phase of the bear market we are in now. So get your ass ready, accumulate your choice coins, and from January, February, we fly, we start to fly. So I don't know when the last final break in Bitcoin will come, but breakdown, but it will happen just like what we received in March, the COVID shock. It will happen. The final checkout will come. So, and after that, we are good to go. So that is it from me this morning on cryptocurrencies, and I wish you good luck. Trade wisely and enjoy your day. Thank you.